So I was in Nagoya with half a day to spare before my flight. So I thought, why not squeeze in one more little adventure? I hopped on a train and headed to the port of Nagoya Public Aquarium. Just under an hour away, totally worth it. While I was there, I caught a rare moment of the trainers. We're measuring one of the orcas and giving it a good scrub. And let me tell you, that orca knew exactly what was coming. The way it looked up with those adorable eyes, waiting for its fishy treat, was too cute to handle. Sometimes, spontaneous detours make the best memories.